The Galapagos penguin is the second smallest penguin in the world, standing less than 2 feet in height. It can be found north of the equator in the Galapagos Islands. So there are only two of the Galapagos Islands around which it can be found, San Fernandina and the western coast of San Isabella, and these part of them can lie north of the equator. There are cold water currents reaching the Galapagos from the southern portions of the globe, and this helps to keep them cool and also provides the nutrients which promote algal growth, which promote the fish growth on which they feed. Because they have such a limited geographic range, they are not abundant. In a good year, there is maybe 1,500 breeding pairs, which make them rare in terms of the number of birds which exist in the world. And in addition to some of the typical threats which face aquatic life, such as plastic pollution, predators, also they are threatened by the El Nino to La Nina switches. So during El Nino years, the ocean currents change, and as the populations of green algae plummet because there are no longer the nutrients which support them, this then causes a severe drop in the numbers of fish, which then cause a drop in the organisms which feed on the fish, such as the Galapagos penguins. So their population may drop, they may not breed in those years, and if they have produced a nest, they may abandon their nest in those years because of the lack of nutrients. Their small size allow them to squeeze into narrow crevices in rocks in order to seek refuge from the hot sun and also to form nests. They are monogamous, they mate for life, and while the hatchlings take 2 months in order to become independent, usually one parent will stay with the young while the other one searches for food. Sharks and killer whales are their major natural predators.